What's up, y'all? AJ Simmons here, founder of the Clean Biz Network, checking in from my guest room. Alright, so I decided to bring my computer home and work from the guest room today. But anyway, so ignore me just chilling with my Father's Day 2020 shirt on. But anyway, I got the CBN on, that's all that matters, right? But anyway, I came across this video where I was explaining to somebody, because somebody had criticized me and said, why would you charge $9.97 just for a course? And so I came across this video. This was 5 years ago. I posted this video in 2018, and I broke it down to the person. I said, you know what, this would be a great video to re-release today, and especially because yesterday I dropped a video about cleaning business automation for the people who's already in business that's ready to scale and partner with me. Definitely take advantage of that, right? Go to cleanbusinessnetwork.app and you can go join the Clean Business Automation membership, okay, if you're already in business and you're ready to scale. But a lot of people commented on that video and they were like, well, what about me? I just want to start. Like, how much is it just to start? And so this video is for you. You're going to see I'm talking about my cleaning business starter kits. That's for the people who want to start. Now, back then the price of it was $9.97. Today the minimum price for it is $12.99. We went up a little bit just because I increased the value of the products that comes with it. I used to have this generic backpack vacuum in it. Now it has a protein backpack in it, and then some other things as well. So I had to raise the cost because it cost me more to produce it, right? But anyway, I want y'all to check this video out. Definitely, take heed to it, and you'll just learn too, like the logistics and the mindset of why, you know, coaches and consultants and stuff even charge you in the first place if we say all we want to do is help. So yeah, I think y'all gonna love it, especially for y'all that love my rants, right? Because it's one of those good rant videos. So definitely check it out, and I'll talk to y'all afterwards, man. And if you're interested, definitely check out www.cleaningbusinessstarterkit.com. Talk to you later. All right, so what's up, YouTube? So look, I got a comment on my last video basically trying to bash me because I'm charging $997 for one of my cleaning business starter kits, okay? And I wanted to go ahead and address that comment. She's saying that she don't understand how I can sleep at night. Well, I'll read the comment and then I'll reply to it, okay? So here's what she said.
Everybody eats. Everybody eats.
I love your videos, but starter kit for $9.97. Shaking my head. You got me fucked up. If anyone is reading this, please do yourself a favor and do your own research, because you don't need to spend $9.97 on a starter kit when you can get it for free on the fucking internet. Just stop being lazy, sheeple, and do it. I can't believe this fuck is paying people to buy his kit. How the fuck can you fucking sleep at night? Why are people so fucking greedy? It's insane. Okay, it was actually kind of comical to read, right? Okay, first of all, I'm going to dissect this thing piece by piece by piece, because if there's anybody else out there thinking like this, I want to make sure that I address your concerns, because I get it. And there was a point in time where I thought like this too, okay? But let me break it down. I made some notes for this one because it's very important to me, okay? So let me get into it. And this person probably didn't see my last video either, where I was talking about I forgot the name of the video, but I'll link it somewhere on this video to the left or the right. But all right, here we go. My starter kit that sells for $9.97, the total package starter kit, which is available on ajsimmonsonline.com, includes equipment, okay? That's the obvious thing. It includes equipment. When you pay for that starter kit, I ship the equipment to your house. Every single thing you need is like 15 different items, from big boot trash cans, backpack vacuums, which are very expensive, okay? Microfiber rags, not just no little cotton rags, okay? All type of stuff in that kit, mopping bucket, everything, okay? There's a lot of stuff in that kit, and I ship that to your house, okay? So that's number one, and that's the bulk of the price right there, is because I had to pay for that kit, okay? So I'm definitely not taking $9.97 home, all right? That's the first thing, all right? Here's the second thing, though. Let's get to the real deep stuff now. That was the obvious, and let's get to the deep stuff. Now, even if I didn't include the equipment, please show me on the internet where you can go and get free step-by-step coaching and all of these different tools that I'm providing for free, okay? Where are you going to go on the internet and get this stuff for free, okay? Just show me. Show me a guru, some guide, some mentor on that you can go Google right now on the internet who's going to help you when you got a question and you say, how can I bid this? How do I approach this situation? A customer ad came at me like this. How should I respond? Show me a person on the internet that's doing that for free. If you can find them, go to them. Okay, I recommend them. Give me their names so I can shout them out. Okay, but if that doesn't exist, okay, it just simply doesn't. You know why? Because the people that know the information that I know are too busy running businesses. Okay, and the only people who aren't too busy running their business is providing the information, like I am, at a cost. That's the only way you're going to get that deep knowledge. Okay, so that's number one. All right, actually that's number two. All right, so here's the third thing on this. Right now, universities, colleges can charge people at least a minimum of $40,000 for education over 4 years, right? And even when you finish that degree, that bachelor's degree, guess what? If you wanted to go start a cleaning business today, you still won't have really a clue on how it works, okay? So you can pay that university $40,000 and let them hold you for 4 whole years and still not know exactly what the hell you're doing, okay? I'm charging you $997, including you with equipment, which the university ain't gonna give you equipment either. And I'm including you with, you can call me and ask me questions and I'm gonna guide you and be your mentor until you get it right, okay? What university is giving you that? The university ain't giving you a mentor or the damn startup kit, the equipment and none of that. And they can't even tell you really step by step on how to start the cleaning business and guide you as you start the cleaning business. But they charging you $40,000 and then want you to pay them back basically for the rest of your life. With me, on the other hand, and sorry, hopefully y'all can hear me with this microphone on. I got this microphone on. Y'all don't always use the mic, so hopefully it's not breaking up. But me, on the other hand, I'm only charging you $997, right? $997. That's it. And then you can take that $997 and turn that into however much money you want to per year. How do I know? Because like I told you in the last video, I did it already, okay? I'm doing it. I'm still doing it. I still have my cleaning business, okay? You can literally invest $1,000 into starting a cleaning business and grow that to as big as you want to grow it. And I don't want anything off of that, okay? It's yours, okay? So where is the wrong in that? Yes, I sleep very well at night, as a matter of fact. And no, I don't feel like I'm conning anybody or anything, because I'm not. As a matter of fact, I might be conning myself, since my $997 covers more than just the information. It even includes the equipment. Because you know what? Which is getting right into my point, which is the fourth point, which is the only other place that you can go and get this information for this same price of $997 is with a cleaning franchise, okay? But even the cleaning franchise won't include your equipment, right? So I'm including equipment in that $997. Now, I will say that the cleaning franchise goes a step further, and they would start you off with the accounts in that $997, but they won't put the equipment in, right? So they kind of give a little to take a little between me and the franchise, right? But that's it, okay? That's it. And so, again, where can you go on the internet? Just show me. Post a link on this video. Whoever posted that comment on the last video, post the link on this video and show me where you can go to get equipment, a mentor, and guidance throughout your whole business personally, right? Where can you go to get that on the internet? Just show it to me. If it's available, I'll stop, right? Or I'll fix it. I'll do something. But no, like how? All right, getting to my next point. Not to mention, I have over 700 free videos on YouTube, right? 700 free YouTube videos that you can watch if you don't want to pay anything for none of my stuff. I don't care. I got free stuff on the internet. I never told you that it was mandatory that you buy my starter kit or you'll never know what you're doing. I've never told you that. I told you that you can start regardless. I started without my starter kit. So obviously it's possible to start without my starter kit, right? But the difference is it's easier. If you want a quicker journey, if you want to grow faster, if you want to skip all of the hurdles and headaches that it took me 4 years to learn to get to, then actually more than that, because I started back when I was 19. So if you add those years too, it took me 7 years to learn, right? And then if you add all my other business experiences, I've been an entrepreneur since for 10 years now. So really it might take you 10 years of experience, right? Why do you think that there's so many different cleaning business owners? Well, you might know them, they clean houses, or they might have a couple of offers that you know, right? Your grandma, somebody, they got a cleaning company, yet they still cleaning in those accounts. They never learned how to get out of the field. It's because nobody taught them how to think like a business owner. They just knew self-employed. I don't have a boss, I'm my own boss, and now the only person they got the boss around is their damn self, right? Well, I'm teaching you how to not fall into that trap, okay? Where are you gonna find that? Again, I just asked, okay? Now, I said I got 700 free videos on YouTube that you can use if you don't want to pay me for my stuff, and that's fine. And then you might be saying, well, technically those videos ain't free because YouTube's paying me. Well, that's true. YouTube is paying me, but they only paying me about $400 a month for 700 and counting videos, okay? That means I'm getting less than $1 per video. That's less than minimum wage, a lot less than minimum wage, okay? Because most of my videos are around about 10 to 15 minutes long by themselves, okay? Then it takes me another 15 to 30 minutes just to edit them when I decide to edit them, but I'm not going live, okay? So again, it's not like I'm sitting here conning people or holding back information. You can go through my 700 videos and pick and choose and piece information together and try to find a way to do it free without paying for anything, right? There's nothing stopping you from doing that. But if you want to get a head start on the game, if you want guidance and a mentor, if you want to have the proper equipment and tools, because if you think you're gonna walk into these commercial accounts with dollar store pound salt and with basic little thin rags and small little mop heads and a stick that's gonna snap in half when you put it on these commercial grade floors, that's not gonna work. I have real commercial equipment, the best quality. I took my time to pick this stuff out. It's stuff that I actually use in my company, so I know it works, okay? You're not going to get that anywhere else, okay? Period. Not on this internet. You're not. I don't know what gave you that impression. Maybe you didn't see everything that was in my starter kit, okay? Now, if you can't understand the reason for me charging $9.97 for my total package starter kit after this video, then just don't get it, okay? But if you get it after this point and then it made you more interested, then go get it. I'm not here to try to sell you and rob you of $1,000, right? That's not my goal. My goal is to help anybody that wants to be helped. However, if you want deep help, if you want me to help you deeper in your business and you want more than just my free videos on YouTube, then there's a price you have to pay for that, all right? If you don't want to pay the price, then don't pay it. Just keep getting the free information. That's it. Bottom line is this. If you would like the equipment included in your starter kit, if you would like the information and coaching from me, if you want to join my mastermind group and all of that, which is included in that starter kit, then you can pay the $9.97 for that. If you don't have $9.97 or you feel like you can find the equipment at a better price, but you still want my help, I have a $197 starter kit with just the information and the coaching and stuff. Now, if you don't want anything but just a little bit of coaching from me, but it doesn't have to be hands-on, then keep watching my videos for free. That's simple, okay? I'm not here to convince you to spend your last dime on me by far, okay? Do what you want to do, but I do think it's ironic that you would come at me like that when I have over make that go through your head. I got over 700 videos and counting that are free and available to you. If there was anything scammy or selfish about me, those wouldn't exist, okay? I probably have about 5 videos until you pay for the rest of the shit, right? Everything that I say would be about paying me money, right? Come on now, use your head. Let's use common sense for a minute. My agenda here is simply to help people. I wish I was home right now, not in my office, because I actually got a sign up on my wall above my home office, above my desk, and it says, "Simply help people." Okay, my goal is to simply help people. The more I help other people, the universe will reward me for it anyway. So I don't really necessarily have to keep always worrying about how I'm gonna do this or how I'm gonna do that or how I'm gonna charge for every little thing. And I think a lot of the people in my mastermind group can attest to the fact that I'm never trying to nickel and dime people, okay? A lot of times I end up just giving in and giving stuff away anyway, which I shouldn't be doing, because I do value my material, and you should too, because it's gonna help you, okay? What's $9.97 to a person that's gonna turn that $9.97 to $100,000 by the end of the year? You know what I mean? What's $9.97 to a person that's going to build that cleaning company into a $500,000 a month empire, okay? That $9.97 ain't shit. And I'm not taking any type of royalty management, none of that. You know what I mean? None of that. I might ask you for a testimonial and that's it. Say that I helped you, right? That's it. So come on, man. Y'all don't come at me like that. I'm the one that's here trying to help, right? I don't have to do these videos, okay? I don't have to do these videos. I can live without that $400 a month from YouTube. You know what I mean? Like, come on, y'all. Let's think for a minute. Thank y'all for watching. Everybody's AJ Simmons. If you want to go buy that starter kit, go to www.ajsimmonsonline.com. And if you don't want the starter kit, but you like my videos, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and let's keep getting it. Thank y'all.
6 figures or better should be the common motive, but y'all just trying to see change like Obama voters. Money ain't my only love, but it's the main goal, and I'ma get it deal or no deal like the game show. Will I succeed? That's rhetorical, cause my face looking like a dead president memorial. Ask around, they'll tell you how my grind be. Money longer than the lines at the DMV. But don't confuse this with bragging, this is motivation. The grind like you on the handrail rollerblade. Cause a lot of y'all turning into weed heads, and your pockets bolder than the back of a she head. Yeah, I know that line went over your head, but you know you can count on me to say what's supposed to be said. And I'm always thinking how to earn more. That's why I got money schemes bigger than Howard Stern knows. I'ma go get rich today and leave my daughter's mouth closed like stores on Christmas Day. Cause it's a lot of people hoping I fail. So I'm pissed like when I heard Zimmerman posted his bill. But it's cool, watch me prove I'm wrong. My grind remind me of the smell of porta potties, and that's usually strong. So I'm eating good in the neighborhood, no dentist. Fuck your opinion, cause it ain't worth 4 pennies. You can't tell me how to do what you ain't never done, so don't talk business to me if you ain't running one. You say you caking